What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to find and fix a big SEO problem of orphan page, okay? Page that exists on your site, but there is not any other post or page of your site linking for it, okay? So it's orphan, there's no linking on this page. How to find and fix those pages to improve your site SEO for free is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access the dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP admin and enter with your login credentials, okay? After, you're going to be able to see this dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, we're going to be able to see a field called Search Plugins. Click and type Link Whisper free. Here's the guide that I'm looking for. Click on Install Now. After installed, click on Activate button. No need to go premium, let's keep all for free, okay? Now you're gonna be redirected to the plugins page, a page where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Review the left sidebar of menus once again and scroll down until you find Link Whisper into this menu. Click on it. The plugin gonna try to walk you in the get started parts, okay? You can connect with the AI, you can connect with Google Search Console. I highly recommend that you do these steps, okay? And after, you're gonna be able to see this page right here. Dashboard, links report, domains report, clicks report. Go to links report. And as you can see, there is no inbound linking or outbound linking to those pages right here. So imagine that I would like to fix the problem into this page right here of my site. The privacy policy. Click on it. Go to view page. Copy the page URL and into some related page or related post of your site, you're gonna enter a link to this page, okay? For example, just like this. Let me apply a link right here. This is just an example. You should think more about your anchor, where you are linking, what you are linking, but this is just an example. Now, the privacy policy page has a link into my contact page. So the orphan page issue is now fixed, okay? As you can see, we have an inbound link. It's no longer an orphan page, okay? And you can repeat the process into every single link you can see right here. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. And don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes.